Hey y'all, so y'all, this morning I drank one of Cleopatra's Nature pain teas. So y'all, it is 3 grams of herbs in each tea bag. So these tea bags are very healthy. I put it in here or whatever. So once I got out work, I can do a second brew of it because y'all see how thick it is. These are very thick tea bags. Yeah. And this one doesn't have my little thing on there, but what I did do for my tea bags, each tea bag have colored beads on there. The stress and anxiety ones have blue and purple on there because seeing those two colors really relaxes your mind. It helps you with clear thinking and it changes your mood. On my cold and flu tea bag, I have yellow, and then on my pain tea bag, I have green on there because those colors with these type of things actually remove those feelings from your brain, from your thoughts, from your body. It literally helps boost your immune system. So I just felt like with me making my tea bags, I should put something a little bit extra on them. So that's what I did. I added. So y'all, let me add this water up in here because I done bought it. And we about to see the second brew of Cleopatra's Nature tea bags, y'all. As y'all can see, the water is darkening already. And this is just to let y'all know that these are not like one-time use. Y'all can use these twice in a day or whatever. Some people might use it 3 times depending on how long you just let it sit in there and steep on the first brew. I know my first brew, I let it sit in there the whole time in the cup. It was like really, really dark. It was darker than what this one is right now. So, but I did let it sit in there the whole time, literally for about 5 minutes before I even took it out. And I will let this sit in here for about another minute or so before I take it out. Y'all, come to Paint, Play, and Slay this Saturday so you can be one of the first to get Cleopatra's Nature's exclusive hand-picked Jamaican herbal tea bags. Literally, herbs handpicked straight out of nature from Manchester, Jamaica. Herbs, tea bags, handmade, literally leaf by leaf, picked off of each branch, leaf by leaf, hand crushed and formed into a tea bag. Y'all, these is real herbs, y'all. The tea bags are also 100% natural tea bags as well. So y'all, as y'all can see, this tea, the second brew, y'all, is still strong. And y'all, I did bust the tea bag open after my second brew, just so I can show y'all that these are the herbs that I literally brought back from Jamaica. Y'all, just to show y'all, not playing no games.